Hi, everyone. My name is Martha Warner, and I'm a California bankruptcy attorney. I've been practicing bankruptcy law for over 40 years. This video is the first in a series I call Bankruptcy Basics. Overwhelming debt is something that affects millions of Americans, but filing for bankruptcy often feels overwhelming and confusing. If you're struggling with debt and wondering if bankruptcy might be right for you, or if you're just curious about how the process works, then this video is for you. I'm going to break down the entire bankruptcy process step by step so you know exactly what to expect. And stick around to the end because I'll share some important resources that could save you time and money. Let's be honest, bankruptcy can feel intimidating and complex. And here's the thing, it is. It's complicated. Well, I'm going to walk you through each step today. This process involves a lot of technical details that can trip people up. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap what the process looks like. First things first, you need to know exactly what you owe and who you owe it to. Head over to the annualcreditreport.com website. That's the official free site, and pull your credit report. Make a comprehensive list of every single creditor. This includes credit cards, medical debt, student loans, taxes, personal loans, everything. Be sure your list includes the creditor's address, the approximate amount you owe, and the last 4 digits of your account number. This step is crucial because you'll need this information for all your bankruptcy paperwork. Next up is something called the means test. This determines whether you qualify for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, which is liquidation, or Chapter 13, which is a reorganization. Here's where things get tricky. The means test is highly technical, and honestly, this is where a lot of people who try to file on their own hit a wall. It involves complex calculations based on your income, expenses, and family size. To be honest with you, this step alone might convince you that you need professional help. And that's okay. There's no shame in recognizing when something's not in your wheelhouse. If you make it past the means test on an income basis, you'll need to complete extensive paperwork. You can find the official forms on your local bankruptcy court's website, uscourts.gov. You have 3 options. You can do it yourself, you can use a petition preparer, someone who helps with paperwork but isn't a lawyer, or you can hire an attorney. The paperwork is detailed and unforgiving. Mistakes can delay your case or even get it dismissed. But before you can file your bankruptcy petition, you're required to take a pre-petition credit counseling course. This isn't just busy work. It's designed to make sure you understand your options and that bankruptcy is truly your best choice. But that doesn't mean it's difficult. It's just something that's required before you file bankruptcy. You need to take this course from an approved provider, and you'll need a certificate to file with your bankruptcy petition. Make sure to check your state's approved provider list. Once you have all the paperwork and your certificate, it's time to file with the appropriate bankruptcy court. You can find your local court by entering your zip code on the bankruptcy court website. There are filing fees involved, although waivers or installment payments may be available if you qualify. Next is the 341A meeting. This is often called the first meeting of creditors, though creditors rarely show up. You'll meet with your bankruptcy trustee, who will ask you questions about your assets, liability, and financial situation. This isn't a trial, It's more like an interview. You'll be under oath, so honesty is crucial. The trustee is looking to understand your financial situation and make sure everything in your paperwork is accurate. But it's not the trustee's job to judge you or your financial situation, nor will the trustee question what you chose to spend your money on. Think of it this way. For Chapter 7 cases with no assets, with no non-exempt assets, which includes almost all Chapter 7 cases, the trustee gets a portion of the bankruptcy filing fee of $338. They're not going to spend a lot of time on your case if it's obvious there are no assets they can liquidate. Lots of people stress out before this meeting. Don't. It's nothing to worry about. Come prepared with any documents the trustee might request. Better yet, send them to your trustee a couple of weeks before the scheduled date. These days, most 341A exams are conducted by phone or on Zoom, so no personal appearance is required. After your 341A examination, you'll need to take a post-petition financial management course. You have 60 days from the date your examination is first scheduled to complete this and file the certificate. You can use the same provider you used for your pre-petition counseling, and the provider will usually file the certificate for you. If everything goes smoothly, you'll receive your discharge. This is the legal document that eliminates your qualifying debts. This is your fresh start. But remember, not all debts can be discharged, and the bankruptcy will stay on your credit report for several years. Now here's what I want you to take away from this video. The process is complex, really complex. It requires that you figure out what assets are exempt. Each step has potential pitfalls that could derail your case. Many people start the process thinking they can handle it themselves and then realize they're in over their heads. There is no shame in seeking help, whether that's a bankruptcy attorney or even just a consultation to understand your options better. Professional guidance can save you time and money and stress. If this video helped to understand the bankruptcy process better, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial education content. Do you have questions about bankruptcy or other financial topics you'd like me to cover? Drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. I also offer a free half-hour consultation to California residents. You can reach me at 760-409-7705 or by email at martha@bankruptcysage.com. And if you're dealing with debt issues, check out my video on debt management strategies. Sometimes bankruptcy isn't the only option. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.